Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are starting the practical sessions. Okay, so I've set up my Jenkins. Okay, I've entered my initial admin password, which will be located in a file, which will be the location will vary from our system OS to OS. In Windows, it will be in a different path. In Linux, it will be in a different path. Okay, so you have to enter the administrator password, then you have to install the required plugins. Then you have to create the first admin user, which I'm creating here. Okay, so my admin will be admin. My password is also easy password. I will be admin. Okay, so then save and continue. And instance configuration, save and finish. Wow, Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins. So here is our Jenkins portal. Okay, guys, these are all the options which we can do. We can create a new job. We can see all the users. We can see the build history. We can see all the Jenkins configuration comes under manage Jenkins. This is our user. This is the logout button. This is all the notification which I have received. Okay, guys, this is a basic video which I've just started. This is a practical videos first session in which I've just set up my Jenkins and I've explained you this is if you have to create a job, you have to go to new job, new item. If you have to see all the users, you have to go to people. If you have to see the build history, you have to go to build history. If you have to see the configuration of Jenkins, you have to go to manage Jenkins. Okay, guys. If you have to see all the jobs which you can see, you can have to go to my views. Okay, guys. Let's meet up in the next video. In next video, from next video, I'm going to start all the basic concepts, and I will going to explain you practically all those concepts which I've covered in the previous video. My concepts about freestyle jobs, pipeline jobs, what are the way, how to create a user, how to give a user's permission, read write permission, admin permission. All I have to cover in this practical session. So stay tuned, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and do watch our playlist, guys. Thank you.